In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to your Wix Studio site. This is a fantastic way to personalize your website and give it that professional, polished look. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Wix website editor. This is the central hub where you can access all the tools you need to customize your site and enhance its aesthetic appeal. To do this, simply log into your Wix account, navigate to your dashboard and select the site you're working on. Once you're in the editor, you'll have a full view of your website and the various elements you can modify. Next, it's time to select the specific section where you want to add or change the background image. Move your cursor to the area of your site where you'd like to make this change. This can be any section, such as your home page, an about page, or even a contact section. Hover over the section and click. You'll know it's been selected when you see a frame or border outlining the area. Now that your section is highlighted, look for the Change Background option on the toolbar. By clicking this, you'll access the menu that allows you to modify the background settings. It's an intuitive process as Wix provides a straightforward interface for these adjustments. After clicking on Change Background, you'll want to select Image from the list. This choice will direct you to the image selection screen, where you can browse through options. Wix offers a generous assortment of image choices, so you have plenty to work with. You can also upload your own images if there's something specific you have in mind. This is a great way to incorporate branding elements, logos, or personal photos, ensuring your site reflects your unique style. From here you have the option to choose from a variety of free media images provided by Wix. This selection is diverse, catering to many themes and styles. Feel free to explore and find an image that perfectly matches the vibe you're aiming for on your site. Once you've found an image that resonates with you, simply click to select it. Finally, it's time to hit Change Background again to finalize your choice. And just like that, your new background image is applied to the section you previously selected. Take a moment to view it in the context of your full site to make sure it looks how you envisioned. You can always repeat these steps or adjust the image if it doesn't quite fit. And there you have it, you now know how to change the background image in Wix Studio. Feel free to experiment with different images and layouts to see what works best for your site. It's all about finding what makes your web presence most impactful. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.